Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for those with diabetes, and incorporating certain herbs into your diet can be a natural and effective way to help regulate these levels. Let's start our countdown of the 6 herbs known for their ability to lower blood sugar. Kicking off our list at number 6 is oregano, a staple in Italian and Mediterranean cooking. This herb isn't just good for adding flavor to dishes, it also offers significant health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Oregano is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, compounds known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity refers to how sensitive the body's cells are in response to insulin. Higher insulin sensitivity allows the cells to use blood glucose more effectively, reducing blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that an active component in oregano, known as rosmarinic acid, could inhibit an enzyme called dipeptidyl peptidase 4, which is involved in insulin secretion. By blocking this enzyme, oregano may help modulate insulin levels, aiding in glucose metabolism. Incorporating oregano into your diet can be both easy and delicious. You can sprinkle dried oregano on pizzas and pasta, incorporate it into salad dressings, or use it to season chicken and fish dishes. Not only will you enhance the flavor of your meals, but you'll also be taking a small, effective step toward managing your blood sugar levels. At number 5 on our list is a potent herb that stands out and is renowned not just for its overall health benefits, but particularly for its effectiveness in managing blood sugar levels: ginseng. This root has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, primarily for enhancing physical and mental energy. However, its role in diabetes management is gaining attention thanks to its ability to influence insulin production and glucose uptake. Ginseng works by enhancing the production of insulin from the pancreas and increasing the uptake of glucose into cells, helping to lower blood sugar levels after meals. This dual action makes it a valuable tool for people with diabetes, as it helps mitigate the spikes in blood sugar that typically occur following eating. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginseng extracts improved insulin sensitivity and contributed to a more stable glucose balance in diabetic mice. Another study indicated that ginseng could help lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve blood glucose control in people with type 2 diabetes. You can incorporate ginseng into your diet by adding it to smoothies, brewing it as a tea, or taking it as a supplement. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you are already using insulin or other blood sugar lowering medications, because ginseng can enhance their effects, leading to hypoglycemia. At number 4 on our list is a unique fruit that is not only distinctive in flavor but also packed with health benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes: bitter melon. Known for its sharp, astringent taste, bitter melon is widely used in Asian and African cuisines, and has been incorporated into traditional medicinal practices for centuries. Bitter melon contains at least 3 active substances with anti-diabetic properties that help control blood sugar levels. These include charantin, which is known for its blood glucose lowering effect, Vicine, which acts as a natural insulin-like compound, and polypeptide P, a plant insulin that has been found to lower blood sugar levels when injected subcutaneously into type 1 diabetic patients. These compounds work synergistically to help increase glucose uptake and improve glucose tolerance, effectively acting similarly to insulin in the body. This means bitter melon can help decrease blood sugar levels by facilitating the movement of glucose into cells, mimicking the action of insulin, and sometimes even improving its efficiency. Bitter melon can be consumed as a vegetable in dishes, juiced, or taken as a supplement in capsule form. However, it's important to use caution and consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, as bitter melon can significantly lower blood sugars, potentially leading to hypoglycemia if not properly managed with other diabetes medications. Incorporating bitter melon into your diabetes care plan can offer a natural aid in managing blood sugar levels, helping to harness the power of nature's own medicine cabinet. Landing at number 3, Gymnema sylvester is revered in Ayurvedic medicine as the sugar destroyer, due to its remarkable ability to manage sweet cravings and help control blood sugar levels. This herb is native to the tropical forests of India and has been used for centuries to treat diabetes and other ailments. Gymnema sylvestre works by blocking sugar receptors on the taste buds, which reduces the sweetness of sugar when it is consumed, and, as a result, helps decrease sugar cravings. More significantly, this herb aids in the management of blood sugar levels by enhancing the function of insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This dual action makes it a powerful tool for those trying to manage type 2 diabetes and those who are pre-diabetic. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that participants who took gymnema extract saw a significant reduction in blood glucose levels, improved insulin response, and increased insulin secretion when compared to a control group. These effects suggest that gymnema not only helps lower blood sugar levels, but also improves pancreatic function, which is essential for the natural production of insulin. At the number 2 spot, fenugreek stands out as an excellent natural remedy for managing diabetes. This herb, with its aromatic seeds, is widely used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines and has been extensively studied for its medicinal properties, especially its ability to improve glycemic control. Fenugreek seeds are exceptionally rich in soluble fiber, which plays a key role in blood sugar management. Soluble fiber slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels following meals. This slow absorption ensures a more gradual and healthier glycemic response, which is crucial for diabetics who need to manage their blood glucose levels carefully. Moreover, fenugreek has been found to stimulate insulin production, thanks to its amino acid content that has insulin-stimulating properties. This action helps lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes, essentially improving the body's glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity. Research published in the International Journal for Vitamin and Nutrition Research found that taking fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water may help control type 2 diabetes. Participants in the study experienced a significant improvement in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, showcasing fenugreek's potential as a therapeutic agent. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet can be done in several ways, by adding fenugreek powder to curries and stews, soaking the seeds overnight in water and drinking the water or eating the seeds, or using them in salads. However, like with any herb or supplement, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before beginning fenugreek supplementation, particularly if you are already on diabetes medication, as it may potentiate their effect. Taking the top spot at number 1 is perhaps the most potent herb for managing blood sugar levels: cinnamon. This common spice, beloved around the world for its warm, sweet flavor, packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly for those with diabetes. Cinnamon's ability to lower blood sugar levels is primarily due to its bioactive components, which mimic the effects of insulin and increase insulin sensitivity. By improving how effectively insulin interacts with body cells, cinnamon helps the body's cells convert sugar into energy more efficiently and maintain more stable blood sugar levels. This mimicry is particularly beneficial for those who are insulin resistant, a common condition in type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of cinnamon, about 1/2 to 2 teaspoons per day, has been shown in various studies to significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve the glycemic index of meals. For example, a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that intake of cinnamon is associated with a statistically significant decrease in levels of fasting plasma glucose, total cholesterol, LDL-C, and triglyceride levels, while HDL cholesterol levels increased. You can incorporate cinnamon into your diet in several simple ways. Sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal or yogurt, add it to smoothies, or brew it into a warming tea. It's also a great addition to savory dishes, such as curries and stews, enhancing flavor while boosting nutritional value. While cinnamon is a fantastic tool for managing blood sugar, it's important to use it in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you are on diabetes medication. High doses of cinnamon can potentially lead to liver toxicity and interfere with medications due to the coumarin content, particularly in cassia cinnamon, the most common variety used in the United States and Europe. Overall, cinnamon's widespread availability, ease of inclusion in diet, and potent effects on blood sugar regulation solidify its position as the top herb for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. And that wraps up our countdown of the 6 best herbs to lower blood sugar levels. Integrating these herbs into your meals can be a simple, effective way to manage diabetes naturally. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting new dietary supplements, especially if you are already managing diabetes with other medications. Don't forget to give this video a like, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content just like this. Managing diabetes and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is a journey, and we're here to provide you with all the tips and natural solutions to make that journey easier and healthier. Now it's your turn. Have you tried using these herbs to manage diabetes? Is there anything you wanted to share with our community that might be helpful? Write your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.